My name is Karthik. My name is Garvit. I am studying in LKC. Our school name is St. Philomena High School in Chandapura.
Of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Manadi, Yamada, Periyar, Tamnabani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system. Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda, Dasavatara, Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Bhavana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kaliki.
States and capitals.
States and capital. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam, Devpur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, Shimla, Deccan, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Jaisalmer, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Raipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Mehru, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Five oceans.
Five oceans. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winner of Karnataka, Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Suramkar, Vasi Venkatesa Iyengar, V.K. Gokul, U.R. Anantamurthy, English Scholar, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
National symbols.
National symbol.
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhiji.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag.
Three colors flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi. calendar,
national book,
Bhagavad Gita,
national game,
hockey,
national tree,
banyan tree,
national river.
Ganga,
Say classical dance from India.
classical dance from India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipuri, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satariya, Assam, Makindas, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yeshagada, Karnataka.
National festivals.
National Festivals, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
7 wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India, Kontesari Karnataka, Kasma in Delhi, Anting Temple in Karnataka, Kailash Temple in Odisha, Tandanta Pitch in Bihar, Gadana in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gudulananda, Babu Sahri, Indira Gandhi, Murari Desai, Saram Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Isparaj Prasad Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimhan, Atatari Rajme, Devegoura, Indira Gujarat, Mohammed Singh, Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka, Changalaya Reddy, Changalamantaya, Lady Mandapa, Leslinganindapa, B.V. Reddy, S.R. Kartik, Nilanda Patel, Hidevra Arasa, R. Gunduraf, Ramakrishna Reddy, Desar Bombay, Yes Bangappa, Anindappa Mauli, Yes Sari Devegoura, J.S. Patel, S. M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, D.V. Saranda Gaura, S.D. Shettar, Siddaramaiah, Sri Kumaraswamy, V.S. Yediyurappa, Swaraj Bombay, Siddaramaiah.
President of India.
President of India, Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, B.V. Reddy, Vilam Sendhu Reddy, Shankar Sayya Samma, Ramasamy Venkatamana, Mekalayana, APJ Abdul Kalam, APJ Kartik, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India, Assami, Bengali, Guruf, Gobri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Mali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Siddhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkalapur, Chitradurga, Dakshin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Koragon, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ, ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus. Vasantarto, Visarto, Vasarto, Hemantarto, Sesiranto.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu Uraman, Chaitra, Vasaka, Desra, Asara, Savana, Bhadrapada, Africa, Kartika, Malapura, Pusha, Magha, Mahula.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkesi, Visadevaraya, Visuvardhana, Malemamma, Amoghavarsha, Alakainayaka, Ikurani Chandama, Kakka Bukka, Devasavanadaroreya, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana,
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mohram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Gopal Auna Sapali, Chutikati Paladi, Ikurani Chendama, Nadi Chendama, Anake Obava, Inda Satipandi, Sadadai Naidu, Tetinani Recipai.
Religions of India.
Of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Monism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads: Visavasa Upanishad, Chana Upanishad, Pata Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Panukya Upanishad, Manukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Patanjali Upanishad.
Most popular international airport.
Popular international airport: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai Airport, Bangalore.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Nagar and Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Indian dynastics.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Mysore dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Buddha dynasty, Masatuta dynasty, Mogala dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhana dynasty.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramanujam, V.V. Raman, O.P. Tendulkar, Vikas Anubudekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India. Rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to against self-torture, rights to freedom of religion, conscience के सर्वे, right to constitutional evidence.
Genders.
Genders, masculine, feminine, male, female, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, daughter, daddy, mommy, papa, mama, aunt, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, man, woman, sir, male, bull, cow, cock, cat, dog, bitch.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು ಸುಲಿಂಗ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಗಂಡು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಹುಡುಗ, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ವ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಹುಡುಗ, ನಹಿ, ಸೋದರಯ್ಯ, ಸೋದರ ಸೊಸೆ, ಸರ್, ಮೇರ, ಬುಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಕಳು, ಹುಂಜ, ಕೋಳಿ.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals of Pakistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia.